Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing DJI Mic Mini. So this is the box that it comes with. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So in the box we have this carrying case with all the accessories, DJI mic transmitter and receiver, and on the side here we have some paperwork, and assuming there are some stickers inside too. So we have this sticker, one is DJI logo and one is like memory card sticker. Then we have some information, different languages, and a quick start guide and some safety guideline paperwork. So let's open up the pouch. The pouch. So inside the pouch we have this dual charging cable for transmitter as well as the receiver. This is a 3.5 millimeter jack, so you can connect your transmitter, your receiver, sorry, with your camera. Then we have some wind muffs. We get 2 of these, and we have a USB type C connector inside, so you can connect your receiver with a 3.5 USB-C phone or any other device. So this one is a transmitter and this one is a receiver. You can see it says mic receiver, and it doesn't say here, but it's like this one is a transmitter. Then here we have the charging adapter for our transmitter. So it just connects magnetically to the transmitter. That's everything in the pouch. Alright guys, so this is everything that's come within the box. We have our splitter charging cable, then we have our receiver, we have our transmitter, we have our 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB-C adapter, then we get a magnet to clip it on your shirt for the transmitter. We get 2 windscreens, and then we have our transmitter charging dock, and of course it also comes with a bag. So I'm gonna quickly show you how you can use the USB-C adapter with your receiver. So all you have to do is locate in the middle, and you just pull it out, slide it out, and then you slide your USB-C adapter in just like that, and then you can use it with any of your device, your iPhone, your Android, or any other camera that support audio over USB-C. Next, I'm gonna quickly show you how you can put your windscreen on your DJI mic transmitter. So all you have to do is locate this grill on the top. So on the other side is the charging pins. So on the top, you just take your windscreen and you make sure that the plastic that is sticking out is facing the clip side, and you just put it, and just with like a little bit of trial and error, you can just stick it in. That's it. It just takes a little bit of trial and error, and to remove it, simply just push it out from both sides. Same thing with the other windscreen. You just push it in. To charge your DJI mic transmitter and receiver, for the receiver one, you just simply put one end of the USB-C into the USB-C hole, and the other one you put it in the adapter, the charging dock, and then you just put your transmitter, and it just magnetically connects. And the other side, you just put it in a charging brick or a power bank, and as you see, it's starting to light up on both sides, here and here. Alright guys, thank you for watching my quick unboxing video of DJI Mic Mini. If you have any questions or have any feedback, do let me know in the comments. I will post another video to show the voice quality of DJI Mic Mini and compare with the default mics on iPhone and AirPods Pro 2. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.